So being on the TRT and being on the Zepbound has really worked out fine for me. I will tell you the negative side to it, okay? Here's the negative side with being on TRT and taking Zepbound. Everyone, thanks for checking back in with me. I know the last time I left off, I left in like I left in a not so good space because I was worried about some lab results that came back, my test that came back, and I'll give you an update on where I'm at right now according to my Zepbound journey. Those who follow me know I've been on Zepbound now for I've been on Zepbound since July. So I started off as 2.5 mg, and it was 2.5, and I stayed on that about 2 months. So I stayed on about 2 months. Then I got moved up to the 5 mg. Super happy I got moved up. Definitely seen the results. But I will tell you that, throughout the different doses of Zepbound, I've only been on 2 doses. I've been on the 2.5, I've been on the 5. The weight loss has been the same on both. Like, I would think that, once I get on the 5 mg, I would see more weight loss. I haven't. I see my greatest weight loss so far on the 2.5 than anything. But, 2.5 and both, these are still both low doses of the medicine. So don't think that, I'm not even in the middle yet. Because the medication go from 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5, and 15. So it's a lot of gaps that, that are there. And from clinical study, you get the most weight loss on the 12.5 and the 5 mg. So I'm nowhere near that spot yet. But I want to tell you about my journey for my lab work. I got lab work back, and understand this. Whenever it comes to losing weight, even though you're on Zepbound or Mounjaro or Ozempic, it still could be other things going on with your body that's stopping you from losing weight, or you could not be losing much weight as you need to. One is your hormones.
My hormones are going nuts.
Your hormones are off, thyroid could be off, so you want to make sure when you go to the doctor, you're getting put on Zepbound. They do all the tests in the lab to make sure that your body's already primed for the GLP-1. So make sure you get your thyroid checked, make sure you have your hormones checked, because if your testosterone is low, it can definitely slow down your weight loss. If your estrogen is low for women, it can definitely impact your weight loss. So you want to go to either two doctor. I think the proper doctor is endocrinologist. I think it's pronounced endocrinologist.
Maybe you should see an endocrinologist.
I think that's it. I went to a urologist, right? And so in all my tests, I came back, testosterone was low. First test came back at like 214. Then my second test came back at like 195. And then the last test I did came back as 185. So my testosterone was dropping. And it said once you get over 35, men testosterone go down every year. But still, even at my age, I'm 44, I still should be in the 500 to 600 range right now. And the fact that I'm down to like 185 is, it's impactful. So I met with a urologist. He started me out on a TRT dose. For those who don't know, TRT is Testosterone Replacement Therapy. Is where you actually take legal steroids.
I'm on steroids, now what?
Right? It's like testosterone cyprinate is when I take, he designated me to take 100 milligrams every week, so 1 shot every 7 days. I'll be honest with you, whenever you're doing testosterone, you want to do your research. I did my own research and found that, that once-a-week shot is like an old way to do the shot. So I found me a clinic that would prescribe me a better dose to make me optimal with my testosterone therapy. So right now I'm on my new doctor from the clinic. She put me on 80 milligrams, right? I mean, it's 20 less than what the first doctor put me on, but it's 80 milligram twice a week. So really it's 160 a week versus my testosterone doctor, right? Urologist only put me on 100 per week. And she said this will definitely reduce the heat, the highs and the lows, so that it's more balanced. And so far I'm on my third shot. So far I did 3 shots so far, and it's hard to stick I'm gonna be honest with you, it's hard to stick myself with a needle. I will tell you that doing that Zepbound shot is a lot easier, because you just, like I said, on my stomach, I piece of fat, hit the button, and it's through. Well, this shot is a little different. I have to actually load the syringe, and it's intramuscular, which so it means I got to actually stick it in the muscle, which hurts a lot. But good thing I got my wife. She does that for me. She actually she get a little enjoyment out of sticking me with that needle. I don't know, but she likes it a little too much. But I know the second shot I had hurt bad. Like that shot hurt for like 3 days. But I shot her a video on how to do the shot. I found a YouTube video, a guy doing the TRT shot, and I sent it to her. The last shot was amazing. I didn't know the needle was in, and when she did it, it hurt it probably hurt a little bit for like 30 minutes, and I didn't feel it no more. So with her having that experience now, I'm so excited. I no longer have fears about getting a shot from the TRT. She know how to do it. She's skilled now, and it's easier. I can't stick myself with a needle like that. I can't take it. I'm not giving myself no pain. I just can't. But like I said, she has no problem doing it. So I will tell you that since I've been on the TRT, my energy has increased a lot, like a lot.
I can do this all day.
I'm sick right now, and I still feel like I'm energized, you know. So, you know, sickness, kids, my son's back in school, daughter back in school, and my son coughed in my face, and now I'm sick. But even being sick the way I am now, I still feel more energy to get up and go. And I will tell you this, it's helped my workout in the gym a lot. So, hey, I'm all for it. So, I've been in the gym more now than I've ever been before. Walking is a lot easier. Like, you know, I don't walk a lot. I do more resistance training than anything. But I know the other day when I worked out, I like to walk like for 0.5 miles. That's it. I don't do a whole mile no more. I just do 0.5 or half a mile, and then I lift weights. And when I lift weights, I lift weights for hours. Like I'm right now I'm like an hour and a half in. And I'm gonna tell you this, like when I lift weights, sometimes I hit like 1,000. I got an Apple Watch. So with my Apple Watch, I be hitting like 1,000 calories burned from one, you know, weightlifting session. So, and you know what lifting weights, you burn fat after you finish working out also. So as far as doing my, as far as hitting my cardio, that 30 minutes a day is I'm good with that, you know. And also the weight training is, I'm definitely I'm closing all the rings, okay? I'm closing all my rings out. And I'm making sure I reserve my muscle mass by doing resistance training. So I read that due to me being on TRT now, that I don't have to worry about losing as much muscle mass from the Zepbound. I don't have to worry about losing muscle mass because it seemed that testosterone stopped the loss of muscle mass. So I will still keep all my muscle mass I got now, plus I'm gonna build more muscle. So more muscle is always good. So what I've been doing is I definitely been eating my protein. I've been getting my protein in. Cause like I said, if I'm gonna take this steroid shot, I'm gonna get the most out of this shot. Like I'm lifting weights, cause you remember this, when you cheat, you only cheat yourself. So if you're gonna do it 100% or don't do it at all, you know? So because I'm on this medication, it's just 3 shots I take a week now. I still take my Zepbound, and I take my TRT shot twice a week, and no issues so far. So anybody out there that may be interested in starting TRT while you're on Zepbound, I'm not a doctor, but this is not medical advice, but I've been doing it, and so far I have no issues with it whatsoever. I do feel more energized now, so I don't have to force myself to go to the gym like I used to. Now it's like I just want to go to the gym. You know what it's like? It's like how you got on Zepbound and you didn't have the cravings to eat sweets no more. Like I haven't even drunk liquor. Like that's amazing right there, because normally I drink. Like I don't, you know, some people smoke. I don't smoke. Like I don't like smoking at all. Like I've never been a big smoker, tobacco, the marijuana, none of that, because I'm not a smoker, but I'm a drinker. So I do drink some Hennessy, Douce, Gold Slogger, you know, some. I remember back in the day I used to drink gin and juice. Like that was that Naughty Hill, that Seagram's. I used to drink that. Beef Eater, I drink that. I used to always drink wine. And it's quite uncommon for me to go a whole week without drinking something. But I'm telling you like this, like since I've been on Zepbound, I haven't even had the desire to drink. Like it's like a feeling where I just don't want to drink. You know, I'm not a big beer drinker, but it's like since I've been on Zepbound, I haven't wanted to drink nothing. Like I don't know why I'm like that, but I don't have this desire to eat sweets, cookies, cakes, pies, or drink alcohol no more. It's like I'm not sure. Somebody tell me, does Zepbound do something where you feel like you don't want to drink alcohol no more? Because I don't have that feeling like I want to drink alcohol anymore. And normally I always have. I go out to a restaurant. I know me and my wife went out, and I normally have me a drink. I had water, and that was fine. So it's like I don't know, Zepbound. I guess I had an addiction to liquor I didn't know I had. So I didn't feel like drinking, you know. And if I sound low or my voice sound off, just know that I'm just dealing with the sickness. Okay, I'm getting through it. All right. So being on the TRT and being on the Zepbound has really worked out fine for me. I will tell you the negative side to it, okay? Here's the negative side with being on TRT and taking Zepbound.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
All right. So last time I left off, I had got down like 286, which was nice. I'm at 288 now. Actually, I was at 289. So my weight actually went up since I've been on TRT. I don't know why my weight went up. But I have not lost weight in like the last 2 weeks since I've been on the TRT with the Zepbound.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
I will tell you this, I have got stronger. Like I got a lot stronger in the gym. Like my weight training, what I started off with, has increased a lot. Like now, yeah, increase. So I can lift more now. And even though the scale went up in weight, my clothes are fitting me looser. So I don't think I'm gaining fat. I think I'm gaining muscle and probably some water in from the from the injection. I think I'm gaining muscle and water. So I think that's a real reason my weight increased. So I'm not stressing about it. Like I talked to my buddy, he's a personal trainer. I'll plug him in the video below if you're in the Nashville area. He does personal training and he'll beast with it. So I talked to my brother Lewis and he told me, he said, stop looking at the scale. He's like, don't worry about that scale. Worry about how you feel, worry about how you look, worry about how your clothes fit. So I stopped looking at the scale so much, but I still get on it I'm not looking at it, but I still get on the scale just to check, because I'm curious. But I've been doing a real workout program. Like I work out now, I work out 4 days a week. And like I'm working out my glutes, I'm working out my legs, in which I haven't worked out in years. Like workout, I haven't did this in years, and it's so fun. It's like you get an energy boost. I get an energy boost when I work out. Like I'm working out today, even though I'm sick. I took some Theraflu, so I'm rocking through it. I don't think I got the flu. It's just whatever this bug is, it's crazy. But anyway, I'm going to work out today. I'm going to do it later on tonight, and I'm going to work out. And today is the legs day. So today's legs day is going to be a hard day. And I work out now, I'll probably not be able to walk when I get finished. Like tomorrow, I won't be able to walk. That's how hard I'm working my legs tonight. So I'm going to hit my legs hard, and I hit my legs, my quad, my calves, everything. I may need to do a workout video so you can see my workout. But definitely doing the squats, deadlifts, and I do it safely so I don't hurt my back. So that's what I've been doing. I've been working out hard in the gym. I've been, hitting my shoulders, my biceps. I'm getting a little gun. I'm not gonna show you a little gun right now, but like I'm getting a little gun in my arm. Like I feel like it's a knot in there now. So, that's one of the benefits of the TRT. I'm gonna have to tell you that, I don't know what my testosterone is yet because I haven't got rechecked yet, but it's more than what it was. It should be in normal, optimal range that you want to be in. People that feel like taking TRT is cheating. I'm saying people feel like taking Zepbound is cheating. I don't care about them. I care about being healthy and being here for my kids. I don't listen to the noise.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
So that's what I've been doing. I've been doing the TRT, testosterone Replacement. I'm at 80 mgs twice a week now. It's working out fine. No complaints. I got me a blood pressure reader, so I've been checking my blood pressure. Blood pressure cool. Heart rate good. I'm not having no side effects from the TRT or the Zepbound. Like you would think that you're on testosterone, you're on steroids, it's gonna make your heart blow up. None of that's true. And once again, I'm on a TRT dose. Like these are not bodybuilders. Okay, let me explain how this works. So bodybuilders take a lot more testosterone than say you was on TRT. Like for instance, the largest TRT dose I think is 300 mgs a week, and I don't have my test back yet to see if I need that or not. But that's the largest TRT dose is 300. Most doctors put you on 200. Some doctors put you on 200 a week. That's a large dose too for a regular TRT. But bodybuilders are taking like 1,000 milligrams, and that's low. Some of them take 4,000 to 5,000 a week testosterone. So, looking at say 5,000 milligrams of testosterone versus, 160 milligrams. That's a huge jump. That's why it's different. And also those bodybuilders, they take not only testosterone, they take human growth hormones. They take several different steroids, all compounded on top of each other, and they still be good for a little minute, But so as you see, TRT is it's different than steroids. It's not steroids. If you get on testosterone therapy, testosterone therapy is basically making you baseline. It's bringing you up to normal. Because right now with TRT, you're not normal. You're low. So you're going to gain fat faster, and also you're going to lose muscle quicker. So if you're on Zepbound and your testosterone is low, I say, definitely reach out to your doctor and get checked and make sure and get on some kind of testosterone replacement therapy. Because if you're taking Zepbound and your testosterone is low, and also with me, ain't no diet I can do to eat clean enough to bring my testosterone up to normal. Because like I said, my body is already sending the signal to make testosterone. My factory is just not making it. So if you're primary, then it's like testosterone replacement therapy is the only treatment. Now if you're secondary, that's when your diet come in place. Watch what you eat. You could eat healthier, working out more can all help that, because it can tell your body to make more testosterone. But if you're primary, man, it's different. It's different. It's almost like it's just different. You got diabetes 1, diabetes 2, or diabetes 1 is the worst one because you can't. There's nothing you can do. You gotta take insulin. diabetes too. Sometimes you can control it with a pill, or you can do modified lifestyle changes, and you'll be just fine. So get your testosterone checked, fellas, and make sure that you're in the right range. And testosterone has been slipping over the years. Like now that on some of these tests, say like if you got 200 testosterone, you're fine. No, 200 testosterone is like if you was a man in your 80s or 90s, that's 200. If you're 40, 50 even, you should at least be at 500, 600 testosterone. And if you're at 100, like I was, 195, that impacting your heart, it impacting your whole body, it impacts your immune system, it impacts if you have like autoimmune disease, always check your testosterone. And if you're not losing weight, get your hormones checked. That could be the reason why. So far what I'm seeing is that my body is adjusting. My body is adjusting right now to the dose, to the TRT. So apparently I should continue to lose weight. I just got to be on it a little bit longer and keep working out, keep my fitness goal. If I gain muscle and I'm losing fat, then hey, I'm all for it, So it's October. It's October 1st that I'm recording this video. So it's October now. I can't wait to see where I'm at for my birthday in January. Can you imagine that? Like if I would lose, can you imagine that if I lose like another 50 pounds plus put on like 10 pounds of muscle, how it would look? Because guess what? The more muscle you build, the more your body burn fat. And I'm telling you this, that I've been hungrier. Even on Zepbound, I still feel a little bit more hungry than normal. And my doctor just upped my dose to 7.5. So I'm waiting on 7.5 to get here today. I'll let you know how they go when I get on the 7.5. And so I can't wait for that to happen too. So that's my journey. So now I'm on 2 journeys. I'm on my Zepbound journey course, and now I'm doing my TRT thing. So I'll be doing some TRT videos also. I'll show you how I do my injection on the TRT. I'll show you how I load the needle up on the TRT. And I've been following different people platforms out there. And yeah, let's see where this thing go. I know I'm not losing weight now, so I got no weight loss update to tell you. But still, I actually gained like 2 pounds, 2 to 4 pounds I gained. But my clothes are fitting me looser. My pants size went down. I was like at a 44. Now I'm at a 40 waist. And that's great to me. I went from a 44 to a 40. When I said 44, I was really 46. So going from 44 down to a 40 easy. And now I can even wear like some of my 2XB shirts. Like I couldn't even wear this shirt right here a little while ago. It was too tight. It was like real tight, So I can wear my old clothes. I can wear some. Remember I was smaller than this, so I can wear some of my old stuff, not everything yet. But I'll keep you updated, let you know my journey, on my TRT journey, and also my Zepbound journey. And what else was it? It was one more thing I want to tell you. Yeah, keep going. So if you're on Zepbound, everything working out, if you think about Zepbound, or you think about TRT, I would say it's worth it. My TRT, I'm not feeling the full effects yet. I say you gotta be on it 6 to 8 weeks to really feel the full effects of the testosterone in your system. So, but I'm telling you right now, after the last shot, I felt energized. Like I felt like I wanted to go. How Zepbound normally make you sleepy? I don't have that feeling no more. No, I don't. And also, I do now. I have added this energy drink. Now I know energy drinks are not the best, but it's one called Yerba Mate. I like it. It's like an energy tea. Look, check it out. I read the reason I started drinking that because it said that the Yerba Mate is good for the GLP-1, and also I'm thinking about adding this GLP-1 fiber for the gut. I take fiber now, but I'm gonna research and find out the difference in the GLP-1 fiber that they sell out there, like a GLP-1 booster, and how they work on Zepbound, because I'm interested, and I'll do a video to update you all, tell you what's going on. Hey, thank you for coming to the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for rocking with me. I appreciate all the love and support I'm getting out there, and let's see what happens next. All right, I'm out.